How to watch ESPN Plus on YouTube TV. YouTube TV offers live streaming of ESPN channels as part of its subscription package. However, ESPN Plus is a separate service that provides exclusive content not available on standard ESPN channels. To access ESPN Plus content through YouTube TV, follow these steps. Step number 1. Subscribe to ESPN Plus. Visit the ESPN Plus website and choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Complete the sign-up process by providing the necessary information. Step number 2, access ESPN Plus content. Open the ESPN app on your preferred device. Log in using the credentials associated with your ESPN Plus subscription. Navigate to the ESPN Plus section within the app to browse and stream exclusive content. Step number 3, integrate ESPN Plus with YouTube TV. This is optional. While ESPN Plus content is not directly accessible through the YouTube TV interface, you can link your ESPN Plus account to YouTube TV for a unified experience. To do so, in the YouTube TV app, navigate to the Settings or Accounts section. Look for an option to add or link subscriptions and select ESPN Plus. Follow the prompts to link your ESPN Plus account with YouTube TV. Step number 4, access ESPN Plus content via YouTube TV. After linking, you can access ESPN Plus content through the ESPN app using your TV credentials. Open the ESPN app and log in with your YouTube TV account information. Navigate to the ESPN Plus section to enjoy exclusive content.